Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update your phone and open the Bixby app so you can change settings immediately. Sign into your Samsung account, then grant microphone and notification permissions so Bixby can listen and respond. Once done, go to voice settings to choose language and set the wake word. This ensures accurate recognition. Do these steps now to make the assistant reachable and responsive before moving into voice training and customization. Next, train Bixby so it talks back reliably. Open voice settings and complete the voice training sequence by reading the prompted phrases clearly. This reduces misfires and personalization errors. Then create quick commands that map natural phrases to multi-step actions and build routines that trigger by time, location, or device state. Make sure to test each quick command aloud immediately. Tweak phrases or pause between words if recognition slips. These steps deepen Bixby's conversational reliability. Finish by testing real conversations. Use the wake word, speak varied commands, and confirm responses. If Bixby misses commands, adjust microphone sensitivity or disable other assistants that may interfere because collisions cause drop triggers. If behavior still fails, restart the app and device, then clear the Bixby cache to force a fresh start. One key troubleshooting tip: if recognition is persistently poor, redo voice training in a quiet room and simplify command phrases for clearer parsing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.